Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video we are going to see how to create email link, a link to an email from your web page, and also how to create tooltips. Now let's start with the email link. In order to create the email link, what you have to do is you have to, if you remember, to create links we just type A and close it with A, right? And in between we write the website. It's similar to that. Email link also similar to that. So \A, I close this one, and then if you remember, for website we put href and then equal to whatever the website is. Now here for the mail, what you have to do is we shouldn't just type the mail address. We have to type mail to, and whatever the mail we want it to go to. So make sure you don't leave any space between mail to and the mail address, because if you leave space, it's not going to work. So don't leave space and continuously type whatever the email address you want it to link to. Here I am linking my email address, so I'm going to just type mail to tiliban21@gmail.com. This is my email address, and once I type the email address and then put the quote mark and close, now I can serve and run this one and see whether it works. Now this is my HTML file, second HTML. I don't see it yet. Maybe I forgot to serve. I served it. And refreshing, something still okay. I didn't give a name for it, that's the problem. So here I'm gonna just give a name, email Tiliban. Okay, now I can serve and refresh this one again, and now you can see we have the name with the link, and when I click the link, it's going to my mail. And you can see it is in the two. In two we have my name, my email address actually. So we just try to type the whatever the email and send to this email address. That's it. That's how we can create email link in using HTML programming. Now the next thing we are going to see is a tooltip. Tooltip is similar to this. We have to do a little changes. Instead of this one, I'm going to give a website, google.com, and I'm going to just type full address, http and then / twice. Okay, now we have a google.com, http google.com. And in order to give a tooltip, what you have to do is, after the quote mark done, remove this one and put title, and then I'm just give the tooltip as awesome search engine. Okay, and also let's give a name for it. Close this one here and put the name Google. Okay, now I serve this one, and again I open the second because that's where I served. And when I hover my mouse over it, you can see it says awesome search engine. That's a tooltip. Like that, you can create anything you want it to show when you hover over the link. Here it says awesome search engine, and when I click, it's go to the Google address. And that's how we can create tooltip in HTML. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.